Allow me to demonstrate our industrial GCF1200 Series 40 by 24 by 24 inch 6-sided heating gas-controlled muffle furnace. With hand-out heating elements we import from Sweden, Mitsubishi aluminum ceramic that we import from Japan for only the finest temperature control performance materials. And our Eurotherm 3204 temperature controller with multi-segment programmable ramp and PC interface, as well as 2 additional thermocouples for display, monitoring from different ports and different areas of the furnace in order to ensure uniformity and precision. You may see on the side of the furnace the gas inlets and outlets, as well as the vacuum port for controlling the atmosphere in the furnace. And we standard configure the furnace with different flow meters for the gases, and we may replace those with digital mass flow controllers or gas mixing systems. And the entire system is driven by an air-driven pneumatic lift that we may use to air quench and quickly cool or quickly heat materials for maximum versatility and the best performance. You may learn more about these furnaces and other industrial products at crossinternational.com.